Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you all my absolute skincare favorites, and in this video I have included my current favorite cream or moisturizer which has actually changed my skincare game. I am a dry skin girly and my skin is sometimes acne prone, but trust me, जब से मैंने ये products use करने start किए हैं, my skin has changed for the better, and this is not a sponsored video. The first product I have with me is by an Indian brand, Beauty, their Daily Dip. This is such an amazing moisturizer. It consists of hyaluronic acid as a primary ingredient. Apart from that, it has some essential ceramides. Then it also has cica, which really calms and soothes your skin. Cica is a very interesting ingredient that they have added because it tends to soothe your skin. It tends to repair. If you talk about the ceramides repair your skin. If you have excessive dry, damaged skin, you should try this moisturizer. It only retails for 500 rupees. I got this one from Myntra and I absolutely love this. If you're a dry skin girly, apply more. If you have combination oily skin, apply less. It tends to have a gel-like texture, but apart from that, it moisturizes your skin really well. This is how the packaging of the Beauty's Daily Dip looks like. It's a very decent glass container for 50 ml of the product. I mean, for 500 bucks you get 50 ml of the product, which is like a pretty decent amount. It is absolutely fragrance free, so the people who are who have excessive dry skin can definitely use this one. Look at the consistency of cream. The moment I tried this, I fell in love with this particular moisturizer. I heard good things about it and then I decided to try, and this is amazing. It has repaired all my dry patches, no fragrance, and trust me, it has given me no acne till now. Look at the shine, look at the glow, look at the hydration this moisturizer provides, and look at the application on my face now. Just 2-3 drops and then you just massage it. It absorbs really well into your skin. Highly recommended for this particular amount. It's in budget. I would request all of you to try this. You're never gonna regret. Even oily skin and combination skin can try this, but if you have dry skin, just apply a little bit more and you will be sorted. Just sleep with this. Use this as a mask, overnight mask, and wake up with a good hydrated skin. The second product is again affordable. It's by CeraVe. CeraVe finally launched in India and I just love it. First of all, I used Cetaphil, but since CeraVe is launched in India, I tried and I again fell in love. CeraVe, this particular moisturizer is only for very dry, sensitive skin. If you have dry patches on your skin and you're looking for something to heal your skin in just one night or overnight, this is the cream for you. It again has some beautiful ingredients. It has ceramides, glycerine, it has triglycerides and other important ingredients which actually repair the skin barrier. My skin was having some dry patches around the nose, but this one actually healed, and now you can see the smile on my face. This is the tonyMoly's Wonder Toner. It's a Korean brand. This one I got for 1300 bucks from Nike, I believe. And oh my god, I just fell in love. It's a milky toner. It has ceramides, it has Centella asiatica, which is again a very interesting ingredient. It tends to soothe, calm down your skin. It has a bunch of and like a myriad of ingredients which are so soothing to your skin. It gives such a beautiful glow and hydration. It will suit all skin types, dry, combination, oily, and particularly for this dry winter season, I think all of you should have this one. Look at the glow on my hand. And now what I do when I just wash my face, I take this toner, I take like 3-4 drops, and then I just dab into my skin. And if you are normal skin, or you have combination skin or oily skin, you will not even require a moisturizer. Trust me, you can layer this as a moisturizer. If you have this product, you don't even need moisturizers in your life. I am not lying, you can try. I layer it and I'm sorted. In the morning I layer it, I'm sorted. I just apply some sunscreen and I'm done. Even during my nighttime routine, I just layer it like a moisturizer and I sleep, and I wake up with a very soft, hydrated, supple skin. Trust me guys, this product is a little bit expensive, but if you invest, it's like a it's like worth every penny. Plus I think you get 500 ml of this. Beauty's a daily dip is suited for all skin types, whether you're oily, combination, must have. If you have dry skin, then you can apply more of it. If you have oily skin or combination skin, then less of it. No fragrance. I'm just kind of summarizing all the products. It is all time favorite, can be applied in humid weather, summer, winter. tonyMoly toner is must have for everyone. This is gonna change your skincare game. Trust me, you will have no open pores, no dryness, no patches, and CeraVe is best suited for sensitive and very dry skin. If your skin is prone to eczema or dry patches, then you should have CeraVe in your life. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.